Hey there, friends! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things finance and education. Today, we're diving into a topic that can be a little scary but is super important for anyone with student loans. That topic is, what happens if I default on my student loan? Whether you're currently in school or a recent graduate, understanding the consequences of defaulting on your student loans is crucial. So, let's break it down together. But first, let's ask ourselves, what does it really mean to default on a student loan? And why should you care about it? Defaulting on a student loan means that you have failed to make the required payments for a certain period. Generally, for federal student loans, this happens after 270 days of missed payments. For private loans, it can be sooner, often after just one missed payment. So, what happens when you default? Let's explore the consequences. First and foremost, defaulting can severely damage your credit score. Your credit score is like your financial reputation. A lower score can make it harder to secure a mortgage, rent an apartment, or even get a credit card. For example, a score that might be 700 could drop to below 500, which can put you in the bad credit category. This means you may face higher interest rates on loans and credit cards later on. Next up is wage garnishment. This means that your employer can be required to withhold a portion of your paycheck to pay off your loan. The government can take up to 15% of your disposable income to cover your defaulted loan. Imagine working hard, only to find that a chunk of your earnings is automatically sent to pay off your debt. Another consequence is that your tax refunds can be seized. If you default on a federal student loan, the government can take your tax refund to apply it towards your overdue balance. This can be a real shock when you've been counting on that refund for extra cash or a fun purchase. Defaulting can also make you ineligible for further federal financial aid. If you plan to go back to school or continue your education, this can create a significant barrier. You won't be able to apply for federal loans, grants, or even work-study opportunities until you resolve your default status. Let's not forget about collection fees. If your loan goes into default, your lender or loan servicer can assign your debt to a collection agency. These agencies often add hefty fees to your existing balance, making it even more challenging to pay off. In severe cases, the lender may take legal action against you. They could sue you for the amount owed, and if they win, they can secure a court order that could lead to additional financial consequences. According to the National Student Loan Data System, as of 2021, about 11.7% of borrowers default on their student loans within 3 years of entering repayment. That's a significant number. Many students are unaware of the far-reaching effects of defaulting, which is why being proactive about managing your loans is essential. Now, let's talk about solutions. If you're in danger of defaulting or already have, here are some steps you can take to get back on track. First, reach out to your loan servicer. They can help you understand your options and may be able to provide temporary relief, such as deferment or forbearance. This can pause your payments for a short time while you get back on your feet. If you've already defaulted, you may want to look into loan rehabilitation or consolidation. Rehabilitation allows you to make a series of on-time payments, which can remove the default status from your record. Consolidation combines multiple loans into one, which can simplify your payments. Another option is to explore income-driven repayment plans. These plans adjust your monthly payment based on your income, making it more manageable. If your income is low, your payment could be as little as $0. Finally, consider speaking with a financial counselor. They can provide personalized advice based on your situation and help you create a plan to manage your debts. In summary, defaulting on your student loans can lead to serious financial consequences, from damaged credit scores to wage garnishment and beyond. But remember, there are options available to help you avoid or recover from default. Being proactive and informed can make all the difference. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need this information. Have questions or personal experiences to share about student loans? Drop them in the comments below. let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, take care and stay financially savvy.